guy wants to be on a YouTube channel. You said hi. Yeah. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today he's asking what we're doing today. Alright, we are going to be doing a roar thing. Yes. So, guys, I was just playing around as my Vaumora, and then when I roared, I roared at something, and I was like, that's creepy. Okay, let me turn it up a bit. So, I did not expect this. So, friendly. And then the broadcast. My God. 4. Like, what? It's a total nightmare. What? Like, what? Why? Okay, Vaumora, it's scary, okay? Right? Like, all right. No, he has to say bye to y'all. He said bye. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that creepy roar thingy. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.